Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by lush pastures and flowing streams, there was a remarkable cow named Daisy. Daisy wasn't just any cow, she had a golden bell around her neck that tinkled melodiously with every step she took. Daisy was known for her gentle nature and her gleaming white coat dotted with patches of brown. One fine morning, a grand proclamation was heard throughout the village. Queen Arabella, the beloved ruler of the land, was going to visit the village to celebrate the annual harvest festival. The villagers were excited and bustled around, preparing their best produce and crafts to showcase. On the day of the festival, the village square was adorned with colorful banners and bustling with cheerful villagers. Everyone eagerly awaited the arrival of Queen Arabella. However, as the sun climbed higher into the sky, worry began to spread. The Queen's carriage, which was supposed to arrive by midday, was nowhere in sight. Suddenly, a royal messenger came galloping into the village, his horse panting and tired. "Help! The Queen's carriage is stuck in the mud on the forest path, and the horses cannot pull it free," he cried. The villagers gasped and looked at each other in dismay. How would they get their queen to the festival now? Just then, Farmer Ben, the kind and wise old farmer who owned Daisy, stepped forward with a thoughtful expression. "Daisy here is the strongest and most reliable cow in the village," he said, patting her gently. "If anyone can help, it's her." With a bell that rang with determination, Daisy was quickly harnessed and led towards the forest path. The villagers followed, hopeful and curious. When they reached the forest, they saw Queen Arabella's grand carriage, its wheels sunk deep into the mud. Daisy approached the carriage, her large eyes filled with resolve. With Farmer Ben guiding her, she positioned herself in front of the carriage. The villagers attached ropes and harnesses to the carriage and then to Daisy. "Steady now, Daisy," Farmer Ben whispered. With a mighty heave, Daisy began to pull. Her muscles strained, and her bell tinkled encouragingly with each step. Slowly but surely, the carriage wheels began to move. The villagers cheered as Daisy pulled the carriage out of the mud and onto solid ground. Queen Arabella, watching from the carriage window, was deeply moved by Daisy's strength and determination. When the carriage was finally free, she stepped out gracefully and approached Daisy. "Thank you, brave Daisy," Queen Arabella said, stroking the cow's head. "You have saved the day and shown great courage. As a token of my gratitude, I declare that from this day forward, you shall be known as Daisy the Brave, protector of the Queen." The villagers cheered loudly, proud of their beloved cow. Queen Arabella insisted on riding Daisy into the village, much to the delight of everyone. With the Queen on her back, Daisy walked proudly, her bell ringing joyfully. The harvest festival was a grand success. The villagers celebrated with feasts, dances, and songs, all in honor of Daisy the Brave. From that day on, Daisy was not just a cow, she was a hero and a symbol of courage and strength in the village. And so, Daisy the Brave, the cow that carried a queen, lived happily ever after, her golden bell always ringing with pride and joy. The end.